Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to verify your Bitget account. In order to verify your Bitget account, you could do this while creating your account, or you could do this procedure after creating your account. So in my case, I'm doing it after creating my account. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and log in into my Bitget account. When I'm logged into my Bitget account, that's going to take me to the home page. So you can see that right on center on the main dashboard page, there's this option as verify. Just go ahead and press the verify button, and in order to verify, you just have to go through the statement and click on verify. Now you just have to confirm or allow all of these necessary permission. Select the country of your reason, issuing of your documents and ID type, all of that, and proceed on to the next step. If you're sure about it, click the continue button. Now you can start taking a picture of your documents and start uploading it in order to verify your Bitget account. When you're done uploading the documents, then it's going to take a while in order to confirm whether your account has been verified or not. So you just have to wait patiently and your account will be verified. So that's how you can verify your Bitget account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.